Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to swap out the battery in your 2021 to 2025 Toyota Sienna key fob. This key fob uses one CR2450 battery, and if you need one, we'll provide a link in the description below where you can pick one up. So we are going to use a flathead screwdriver to help remove the battery, but first we want to remove the back cover of the key fob. So we're going to press over to release the physical key, and then pull on the physical key to remove it. Then we have an opening on the side here where you can insert the physical key and then just press up and it'll pop open. We'll remove the back cover, and then we have our 2450 battery. We'll hold down just to make sure it doesn't fall out of the casing, and then use our flathead screwdriver to get underneath the battery and just gently pry up until the battery comes loose. Replace the battery with your new one and it'll seat in. Place the back cover, it clicks into place, and reinstall the physical key, and we're finished. So that's going to wrap up this video. Hopefully it helped you in swapping out the battery in your key fob. If it did, leave us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.